Early detection can mitigate the impact of chronic disease and other critical ailments. Find out more about preventative healthcare and treatments available for a smoother recovery process. Join a panel of experts to gain insights into heart disease, sports injuries, abdominal pain, sinus concerns, and hospitalization coverage. Understanding your symptoms and treatment options. Happening on the 24th of March at the Grand Hyatt, Singapore. Book your tickets now to enjoy special rates. For more information, log on to channelnewsasia.com/seminar. Brought to you by Mount Elizabeth Hospitals and organised by Channel News Asia.